Hi everyone, this is Farah. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. I make videos on style and fashion and luxury and handbags. So if you love those types of videos, please stick around, watch this video. And if you love what you see, please subscribe. I would love to have you back for more on my channel. So today, as you can see from the title, this is a handbag reveal. I've already unboxed it and I really am happy with it. So this is a bag that I just purchased recently from The RealReal. I have now purchased a couple designer handbags from them, and so far I've had a good experience. I've gotten things authenticated and they authenticate it too, but it's always good to double check. And this is exciting because this is my first ever Gucci handbag. I have never owned a handbag from there, or actually anything from there. Really, so this is kind of exciting. I have always loved like the classic Gucci print, but with like a modern twist, and I love sometimes how Gucci has like a lot of those fun prints and color, and that they're kind of just like out there and, you know, not afraid to kind of experiment with things. It's not always, they do have classic pieces, but they also have like really bold, fun pieces that I think can just bring a lot of joy. So this is a bag that I have always looked at for some time, and it's always been, honestly, probably haven't pulled the trigger because it's been like super expensive, and I just couldn't justify that. But I saw this amazing deal come up on The RealReal, and it was with the bag that I've been wanting a long time. Actually, just recently I decided, you know, I'm going to really try to look for this, and I feel like if I keep looking and looking, and then it'll come about. So anyways, enough talking. Let's go ahead and show you the bag. So first of all, it did not come with a dust bag. This dust bag, which is actually a Gucci dust bag, as you can see, I actually thrifted. Like, I found this Gucci dust bag, and I don't know what it was normally from, but it had like the you know, red and green that they're known for. It had like little GGs on here. So I believe it's authentic, I'm not sure, but either way, it's a nice dust bag, and I have no idea what it went along with, but it has like the whole symbol here, and so I like thrifted it for like, I don't know, pennies, and just was using it to store other things, but now I have a home for it because I actually do have a Gucci handbag. So let me go ahead and show you guys. I'm gonna open it up. Any guesses? So you can see the chain, and here we go. So this is the Gucci Dionysus Mini handbag. It's got like the canvas, coated canvas. It has like the double tiger heads, like the Dionysus. It's also the bloom pattern, so it's got like the beautiful flower detail here, and then the back, and it's in the suede material. Now, this bag is well loved, well loved. It's got a, you know, some corner wear. The suede, especially here, it's kind of, you know, darkened, so it does need to be cleaned up a little bit, but the price was amazing. I paid under $500 for this bag, so it was like a great price. It was actually listed for more. It was listed for like $700, almost $800, which usually these bags are over $1,000, even on the resale market, even when they're heavily used. But it was listed at like $800, and then they had like a little 20% off, so that brought it down. And then I had like a credit for it as well, because I had purchased something prior, where if I had purchased something prior, they gave me like an $80 credit. So with all that, it was pretty much like with tax and stuff, it was like $500, which to me, like, you know, I know if you are really nitpicky, and some people are, and that's okay, it's worn, but like from far, I don't think you can really see the wear or anything like that. And I was nervous about it, I'm not gonna lie. I was nervous when I got it, like how badly is it gonna be worn, but it's totally functional. So let me just go into the bag real quick. So it's got, I still have the tag on it from The RealReal that says, you know, once this is pre-owned, the item cannot be returned once the tag is removed. But it's got it's my only silver bag, which I don't really, I'm a gold person, but somehow I I just, because this is like a aged kind of silver and kind of like almost like a gunmetal-y color, it doesn't bother me as much, and I think it actually would be a little bit too much with gold because there's already so much going on. But you can wear it like a long strap over the shoulders. You can wear it in a double over the shoulders, and then crossbody it. You can even tuck the straps in and make it a clutch. So let me show you inside. So I love this like pattern. I just thought it was like vintage looking, but then also just like very unique and ornate and like a piece of art. And I love the Gucci, like this logo, which is on a lot of their older vintage items. But then I love like the pop of color. You know, I love floral things. I don't know, everything about this was just great. And then so you open it, there's like a little button clasp here, and it pops open, and you can see again it's got a good amount of wear, especially here because this little thing rubs on it. Stuff with hair paper, but then this is the inside. It's just one interior pocket. It's got the little Gucci label, and then it's got another pocket here in the front. My phone I'm recording on right now does fit, and yeah, this is it. I've been keeping it stuffed just to kind of fit its shape, but you can see there's a whole bunch of air paper in there, and there it is. I'm gonna cut off the tag because I know I'm gonna keep it. So here we go. This is always like the final. I'm gonna cut it. Alright. Tag is off. That means the bag is mine. I really like it, and I love it because it goes well with I think you can wear this for spring because of the florals, and but then also in like the fall, I think because of like this darker kind of almost like a burgundy red, burnt red, it goes well there as well. So I love this. I'm so excited to have a Gucci bag in my collection, and the one that I wanted, the Dionysus, is the one that I was thinking of. It's kind of between the Dionysus, the Gucci Soho Disco I know is like super popular, but I don't like that big GG in the front. Like I like more, I know this is still like not super settled, but I like how it's like a little bit smaller, and sometimes you may not know that from afar, where it's like the Dionysus, the Gucci Soho Disco has the big GGs in the front, and with that one I feel like it's not as dressy, it's super casual, and I have a lot of casual bags. And then I also was thinking of the Gucci Jackie, but that is just purely a shoulder bag. I know you can add straps to it to make it crossbody, but it doesn't have like a zipper or flap. It's kind of just like open with like a clasp. I don't know. I like it, I like the look of it, but I just knew I wouldn't use it as much as this because of the versatility of this. And I think this can be worn casually, but then also like for a fun night out kind of thing, like a fun date night. So I like that, and I was playing around with this, and I realized you can even wear it where you take the straps, and if you put it in one end actually, and you can shorten it, and I hope it works because it worked for me earlier. Yeah, you can just shorten it like this, and you have to twist. You have to twist it so it doesn't slip through. Something like that. I just know I did it like super quick right now, but something like that where you can actually make it like a small handheld, and you can still have the other strap longer so that you have like a handheld, like a top carry kind of bag, which I think goes well for if you're trying to wear it for like the evenings. So anyways, multiple ways to wear this. Very versatile. Super excited to have it. Super excited I got it for an awesome deal. Now I have a Gucci bag to my collection. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for tuning in, for watching. If you love this type of video, if you love handbag videos, especially style and fashion, then please hit subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.